Monday, hard to believe. Last sunset of the summer season took place tonight. We captured it on our tower cam time lapse. You can see the sun drifting down through that sloppy layer of smoke in the atmosphere, causing beautiful setting suns. And when we get to this time of year when it's the equinox, the sun rises and actually, well, it sets exactly in the western sky. That's an interesting fact all over the world. Beautiful evening tonight. Temperatures were wonderful out there. The wind finally is giving up just a little bit as we have calm winds. 58 degrees now at Hector International. 52 right now for you in Langdon. 56 in Jamestown, Valley City, 1 degree better. Gwinner's at 57 also. Right now in Lakes Country, 66 for Fergus Falls, 60 out at the Bemidji area. And right now, Roseau, you have 63 gorgeous degrees. A few clouds skirting the international border near northern Minnesota. Other than that, our area very quiet. Looking down to the Gulf Coast, so we have Tropical Storm Beta spinning its wheels out there. Look at the rain bands blowing right in toward Houston, Galveston Bay area, and down toward Corpus Christi. As we go through the next day and a half, this system slowly works its way into Louisiana. A lot of rain expected. Now, right now, the winds, they're not real impressive, but we still have gusts to 60 miles per hour with that system. So some floods, some storm surge, all a concern for the Gulf Coast over the next day and a half. Now, as we look at our forecast for tonight, we head to bed. It looks very quiet, clear skies, and we will cool fairly quickly, but it's not really going to be cold. We'll rise and shine a few 40s in northwest Minnesota. The rest of us starting out our Tuesday with a lot of 50s. The first half of the day, absolutely delightful. If you can get out and take a walk in the midday hours for lunch, do so. Temperatures will be very comfortable and the wind still won't be too strong. That will be the main difference between today's weather and your Tuesday, and that's the lack of wind. It will be from the south at about 15, maybe 20 miles per hour, but gone will be those gusts of 40 or more miles per hour that we've had the last couple of days throughout the region. Temperatures will be very similar to what we saw today. One or two locations may eke out a degree or two better. In Fargo, 54 in the morning, rising into the mid-60s by late morning. The wind very quiet until we get into the afternoon. Then we'll have maybe 10, 15 mile per hour winds. Temperatures in the low to mid-80s for our afternoon. Perfectly sunny skies and a perfect evening as well with light winds here in the FM area. Elsewhere, your temperatures will be 80 to 85 degrees for most of eastern North Dakota and the Red River Valley, Lakes Country, near 80 for many areas. A little cooler out in central Minnesota for Babe the Blue Ox, expecting mid-70s for you. And speaking of colors, wow, Itasca is just aglow with the trees changing out there. And thank you so much for uploading your photo. Here's a look at your Wednesday planner. We do have a slight chance of some clouds limiting our temperatures as we go through our Wednesday. We will see a couple of areas getting a shot of some rain for the first full day of the fall season. As we head through the late week, we do cool off, but we're still well above average for this time of the year. Saturday, delightful. Chance of rain coming through as a weather-making system makes its way through, but it's a small chance. And then we cool back to seasonable. That's the 60s. Might be hard to take, but all in all, there's no 30s on this 7-day planner.
All right, thanks, Sutch.